Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we have new content for you guys. Okay, so we know times are hard right now due to the outbreak of coronavirus. So if you are out there, kindly try to protect yourself. Practice the safety precaution as suggested by World Health Organization, so we can all stay safe. I really want you guys to stick around. So let's head into today's video. So I did a video yesterday previously about best boom and crash scalping strategy for small capital. So in the video, it seems I only explained boom alone, so I have so many reactions from me. People contacted me that I need to do the one for crash as well. That is the method, that is it only for boom alone. So I'm doing that right now. So I have so many people answering me, asking me that question. So I just need to do this video to sort all of that. So whichever person that has that kind of similar question then can be referred to this video to watch the complete episode. Okay, so let's head into our video. Let's head into MetaTrader without further waste of time. So this is the method I explained yesterday, how we can scalp using small capital. So I explained the use of lot size, the use of achievable daily target. Now I explained the use of long time plan. So I explained all of that, money management risk and all of that. So if you need to watch the other video, I will drop a link to it in the description section so you can watch the part 1 of it before moving to this part 2. So this part 2, I will not be showing the cheat sheet again. I won't be explaining all that requires from the cheat sheet again, that which includes okay, close that, which includes the money management risk, how to leverage on lot size, long time plan, so and one other thing I can't remember. So I will not be explaining all of that again. So we'll just head into our video and we'll explain how we can trade using our setup. So this is what I explained yesterday using this awesome indicator and the crash. This is what I explained yesterday with it. So I'll just go to boom and explain it with the boom as well. So I used it to explain crash yesterday. So now let's go to boom. So this is our boom here. I'm using the 5-minute time frame. So how can we use this to trade for the 5-minute time frame? Now the first thing we need to know about this indicator is it shows just two major indicators or two major indications, so which is the buy and the sell signal. And we know this is boom market, so we only sell boom. If you are buying boom, then you are trading against you want to trade spike, so we'll just be buying, we'll be selling our boom. So the green is the buy signal. Whenever you see the green, you see that the market will be on uptrend. So let me try and bring out some lines so you can understand. So from here to here there is green, from here to here there is green, so you can see that the market is on uptrend. So whenever you see green, practically the market will be on uptrend in that region. Okay, so you can see the market is on uptrend. So whenever we see the green candle outside, since so far we are not trading the spike, we need to stay away from the market. So you can see this place uptrend, this place uptrend, and this place is also uptrend. And whenever we see our yellow candle, you see that the market is on downtrend. You can see here, whenever you see our yellow candle of a good trend, you see that the market will be the market will be on a downtrend, So this is a huge downtrend there from here to here. So we are watching out for the yellow. The yellow is the downtrend, so we are watching out for the downtrend alone. Okay, so let me take away all these lines to make to make things easier for us. Just click on it and delete. Okay, so that's fine. So now how do we place our trade? How do we enter the market? What do we need to watch out for? So far we are trading the downtrend. There's nothing much to do than to wait for the yellow line to come at the yellow candle. So when the yellow line is out and we are using 5-minute time frame, we wait for the first candle to occur, the second candle to occur, then we enter on the third candle. First we need to check to know if the market is on uptrend or downtrend. So once we know the trend of the market, we'll be very sure that we can stay in the market for some times, and we can still make our profits without getting affected by the spike that occurs every time. Okay, so next thing we need to do is wait for 2 candles to occur, then we enter on the third one. So let's pick like 3 more examples. Let's pick like 3 to 4 examples, then we'll go to another setup. Of course, I have another setup for us here also, but we need to get done with this first one. Okay, so for example, let's see this here. So the first 2 candles, they came out from here. For the first candle was here till here. Those are the first 2 candles. So we enter on the third one. And stay for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, this method is very efficient. It's very effective when you are using it for 5 minutes. So you trade in 5 minutes. Now, if you are trading in 1 minute, 1 minute is not that reliable. So I won't advise you to trade in 1 minute. So one thing you need to know also is knowing the market trend. You must know the market trend. So that's what you need to know on your own. So you know the market trend before you start trading, before you start applying this method. If you don't know the market trend, this method might not work for you as effective as I'm explaining it here. Okay, so the first candle came out here, till the second candle is here. So we will just enter from this point for 1 candle till here. So that's it. So that's how you pick the candle. So even this small trend that occurred, there, 1, 2, on the third one we enter, we still pick it. So it will be wrong for you to think that you enter at the beginning of the trend and you stay there till the other color comes out before you leave the market. That is very wrong trading idea. That is very, very wrong, because it is synthetic indices and it is very, very volatile. It's a volatile asset. So this is 1, 2 candle, then enter on the third one till the fourth one. Okay, let's pick like 2 more before we. So let's check here as well. This is very dicey, but it still came out. This is the first candle, second candle. So we enter on the third one, we leave on the fourth one. So if you are sticking to 5-minute candle, you will have get out of the market before the strike up. Even here we can pick here, we can pick here. So these are very simple tricks we can use. So we wait for 2 of the candles to occur so that you will be sure of the trend. You'll be very sure. Even here, 1 to happen, the third one will have entered before the spike comes out. So be very sure to know the market trend. It is very, very important. It's very important for our trade. Now, okay, we are heading on to the second. So to recap, this indicator has 2 indications: the buy and the sell. The sell is the yellow candle, this yellow color candles here. The buy is the green color. But this is boom market. We are not supposed to buy here, we are supposed to sell. If you are buying, you are trading the spike. But this video is not explaining to or teaching you how you can trade spike. It is teaching you how you can just scalp, how you can just sell the boom, how you can just sell the boom alone. So that is why we are using this method to explain it vividly. So once you are sure of your trend, once the color yellow is out, you wait for the first candle to complete, which is 5-minute candle. You wait for the second one to complete as well, which is a 5-minute candle. So that is 10 minutes gone into that trend. Then you now enter for the third one. So the third one, you wait for a candle to complete. Once the candle completes, which is a 5-minute candle, then you leave the market. So that is 15 minutes into the trend. Like that, you leave the market, so you keep your profit. Then you wait for the next opportunity to come out again before you enter it. So you don't rush to enter the trend, or you don't make the mistake of entering the trend I want to stay in it until the second color comes out. Anyway, you can do that if you have massive capital, but if you don't, I won't advise you to even try it at all. Don't dream of it. Okay, so just stick to your normal trading and make your profit and keep it. Okay, so let's go to the second one line up for us here, the second indicator, how we can use that as well to trade and make profit. Okay, so this is on the second indicator right here. How do we use this to trade? Now this is very simple. I use this in trading volatility a lot because of the clear indication it gives. So now also this place, it gives 2 clear indication as well. So one is a sell signal and one is a buy signal. So as we can see from our colors, the green is a buy signal, while the red is a sell signal. So whenever you see the red, you see the market going down. When you see the red, you see the market going down. When you see the red, market is going down. When you see the green, there will be a spike When you see the green, there will be spike. When you see the green, there will be spike. But we are not here to trade the spike, are we? No, we are not here for the spike. So we are only here for the downtrend, because this is boom 500, this is boom, and the boom, the normal conventional movement of the boom is downward. So when it is going down, we scalp it and follow it. So this is what we are here for. So all you have to do is enter the trade. Now this place, you also have to wait for some time also to see the clear indication before you enter it. So once you enter it, this place you can stay there for a long time. You can stay there until the second color comes out before you can stay out of the market. Once it gives you the red and you are sure of the trend, one thing I keep mentioning is the trend. You must know the market trend. It is very, very important. If you don't know the market trend, you won't know the magnitude of the market. You don't know the direction the market is facing. So the market can be on downtrend, but it will keep on going down for long. So it might just come up a bit to go down further. So you might think that okay, it is going up already, then you now enter for the wrong trade. So you must know the market trend. It is very, very important. That's why I keep on stressing it, that knowing the market trend will save you a lot of stress. So this method, you just enter once you know the market trend, so you can adopt the long trend. For example, if you enter on this spot, you stay until this green comes out, then you leave. So you enter on this spot, you stay until this green comes out, then you leave. Although this green returned us to this place, so the profit you make just like for 15 minutes. So you must be very careful when using this one, because this one can get you burned. So this one is more efficient with volatility 75, but you can as well use it to trade your boom and crash assets. So you can use it to trade them easily. So you can change the time frame. It's not working for you, you can change it. This is it in the 1 minute time frame. So you can experiment around with this indicator to see what works best for you, but it is very efficient for your trading. So once again, you leverage on your lot size, you have money management risk, have good daily targets, have good long time targets. Don't have it in mind that you deposit $10 or $20 and you take it to $200 within a week. Those kind of things, most of the time they don't work out. So don't have this ideology of taking $10 to $10,000 in 10 days. It's a very bad idea. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Forex Trading Strategies. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So thank you and bye.